Hi, hello friends. Postal Woods, the first graphical film, Umil, is running in theaters. Umil means mosquitoes. Some people may like the movie or some people may dislike the movie. There remain the different tastes. While the positive thing in the movie is Bojaraj Vamanju's 8 roles, which is the main thing in this movie. In the same, Arvind Bolar, Naveen D. Padil, Satish Bandale, Prakash Tuminadu all are entertained very well. Hero Umesh Mijar and the heroine Pooja Shetty acted very well. The negative thing in the Umil movie is there is no clarity in the Umil story, and the graphics is related to the movie is only 20%. The graphics in the Umil movie was ultimate. It designed very well. The movie also gives the awareness that we have to prevent the mosquitoes. While in the end of the movie, I remembered the real incident which of my friend of friend. One day my friend has suffering from the fever, and he's taken the medication, and little bit he had recovered from the fever, and after 2 days he started blood vomiting, and he was unable to walk only, and later he was admitted to the hospital. Then later came to know that he was suffering from dengue, and it was in the last stage, and we could not get him back, and the mosquito have ended his life, which is the sad story. So we have to be safe, we have to prevent the mosquitoes. The percentage for the comedy in the Umil is 50%, and the percentage for the story of the Umil is 40%, and overall the movie is rated 3 stars out of 5. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe for the fun updates. Thank you for watching.